Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to make Apple Maps default on the iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then scroll down. At the bottom you'll find apps line. Tap on it. Then you can or scroll down and you need to find Maps, or you can click at the M letter here and right here we have Maps. Click at the Maps line and right here we have default navigation app. Click at this line, then select Maps by tap at the Maps line, and we did it, so you can go back. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!